what are your morning rituals?
Well, my personal devotion or prayers with the family and coffee.
In one sentence, tell us what you do.
Well, as the Commissioner of Revenue Appeals for the Division of the Ministry of Finance, I lead a team that is mandated by law to provide appeals mechanism for taxpayers to settle disputes that may arise from time to time between them and revenue commissioners.
What was the most difficult decision for you this week, and why was it difficult?
Well, this week I had to make a people management decision that did not sit well with the rest of the team. It was difficult because it appears as if the decision was causing some people to get what they desire, which undeservedly so, but it was the right decision for the rest of the team. It was in the best interest of the team. Good morning, Stacey.
Good morning, Dr. Deloree.
Any messages for me?
Currently.
All right, thanks.
You're welcome.
Has anyone or anything made you feel inspired lately?
Yes, I firmly believe I work with the best team. Their attitudinal response to the corporate vision is just inspiring. And the way they responded, particularly over the last quarter of the last fiscal year, to get us over the proverbial line was just inspiring.
What would you like your legacy to be in the public sector?
I learned early in my life that I'm limited by what I think and believe about myself. And so with that knowledge, I have vowed to always keep an open mind and to push the boundaries. I've led my team that way, and my legacy will be leaving persons behind who are that open-minded and always ready to test the orthodoxy.
Where's the most interesting place your work has taken you?
That would have to be India. I visited India in 2000, where I learned about customs valuation. It was a very thrilling experience. I loved the food and the culture and just the atmosphere there. I would love to revisit that place one day.
And before we go, can you recommend one book you think everyone should read?
One book would be difficult, and so I have two. For your spiritual life, The Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren, and for your professional life, The Forgotten Half of Change by Luke de Bebander.
Okay, thank you so much, Commissioner. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you too, and you too.